Everyone, I am Tutu Trade. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and I have discovered another opportunity coming from good funded trader. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe now to this channel, because I keep on bringing you promotion going on in the Profem industry, because sometimes the promo will go for 1 day, 2 days, 3 days. Because if you don't subscribe and you don't see it early, you can say, oh, maybe what I'm doing, I'm just joking, or it's not true. Meanwhile, it's true. It's because you didn't subscribe. That's why you are not seeing the promotion at the right time. So if you have not subscribed, subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's go on to the opportunity from the good funded trader. This one, yeah, because of the vows they come in, they are giving their 5k account. That's the good 5k account for only $10. So when you go to their website, you have to see their GOAT challenge 5k account 2-step, the GOAT challenge, and then you when you are at the checkout, you put in the 5k 10. I'll be putting the link inside my description. Then you can go for it and then click on it. It will just send you straight to their website, and then you can get the account for only $10. I hope this one will help you very much more in your trading journey. As we keep on doing it, I'll keep on bringing more opportunity that I see in the Profem industry to you. So please, if you have not subscribed, subscribe now that I'm talking to you. I'm checking out. So see you again next time. Bye.